Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today we are talking about bundled orders on Grubhub. So with all of these different gig companies, and I feel like they all have their own names for it, there are times where you're going to get multiple orders at the same time. Maybe it's 2 orders at the same restaurant, maybe it's 2 orders at totally different restaurants, or maybe you already have an order and you want to add another one to your queue because that's what they're offering before you even get to the restaurant. But with that said, I want to go over everything they have to say about bundled orders on Grubhub, what they tell you versus how it actually is, and everything in between. But before we do that, let's go over a quick disclaimer. Content of this video does not contain and is never intended to be legal, business, financial, tax, or health advice of any kind. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It is advised that you conduct your own research and consult with qualified professionals before applying anything you find online. I also want to be absolutely clear that everything I'm about to be talking about in this video is very market dependent. What applies to me and my market may not apply to you. So with that said, let's get started. Why am I getting an offer from 2 different restaurants at the same time? You may be offered bundled orders from restaurants that are close together in order to maximize efficiency. I mean, sometimes they're close together, other times no one's picking them up and they thought, hey, let's see if we can get them to take it if they're together, you know what I'm saying? Bundled orders can result in higher earnings for time spent because they give you the opportunity to receive more orders and potentially more tips for less drive time. Yeah, here's the thing about that. More orders does not mean good orders. And because Grubhub has a fully transparent system in terms of earnings, there's no hidden tip system. You know exactly what's going to be up there. Yes, can they increase the tip after? Sure, but it's not frequent enough in order to expect that, you know? Bundled offers are offered as a package opportunity and will either be accepted or rejected in total. Please know rejecting offers impacts your program level. Program level refers to the Grubhub driver recognition program. If you don't know what that is, I'll leave a video talking all about that in the description. Feel free to check that out. In what order should I pick up and deliver items when they come from different restaurants? We suggest that you deliver the orders in the same order in which they appear in your task list. Following the task list provides a positive diner experience while going out of sequence could result in very early or very late deliveries. And because Grubhub has account violations, you're gonna want to actually just go by what they tell you here instead of trying to, let me get this one done first and let me get this one done because I happen to be right next to it kind of deal, you know? And besides, the second one of the stack seems to always have a longer wait time because they just got the order, whereas the first one, sometimes there's less of a wait time. But Grubhub's wait time system has caused worse wait times for all parties involved, so maybe that's not actually a factor. Maybe wait time doesn't really work in your area because the people in your area aren't paying attention to the Grubhub tablet as much as the other 2. My offer contains multiple restaurants. Can I accept one order and not the other? Bundled offers are offered as a package opportunity and will either be accepted or rejected in total. Rejecting a bundled offer with multiple orders will result in multiple rejections. Please note, rejecting offers impacts your program level. So it will reduce your offer commitment level overall, but either way, that's not a real reason to accept bad orders. Don't compromise your standards for the sake of ratings or for the sake of making a little bit more money on a single acceptance, you know? Will rejecting a multi-restaurant offer impact my acceptance rate? Rejecting a multi-restaurant offer will have the same impact on your acceptance rate as rejecting any other offer. So in other words, accepting and declining a batched order is the same thing as accepting or declining a single order. It's one single decline as opposed to a double decline, you know what I mean? Would I imagine there being a glitch that actually forces the other way around? Yes, but you're going to see that more with ghost orders than you are going to see that with bundled orders. Now, I got a couple side notes that I would like to go over on this subject. Host and Leech. So a host and Leech order is where one order has a really big tip and the other one doesn't really have that much of a tip at all. And they're trying to have you accept that order because that one's not getting delivered otherwise, or it's really going in the same direction, and why not just put them together? Now, on one hand, you could actually say that Grubhub doesn't have an exact customer rating system, so there's not really a lot to worry about in that regard, but there is an account violation system. So if you get a shady customer on Grubhub, you might actually end up getting hurt that way. Now, I don't have that much experience with bad customers on Grubhub in comparison to Doordash and sometimes even UberEats, but that being said, that's something to think about too. Is it worth it? The very few times I've ever accepted stacked orders on Grubhub, they've been worth it 99% of the time. $23 to go 9 miles for all of the orders in total. The other day I took one for $20 for 10 miles and was going back in the direction of home, so it was kind of worth it. And honestly, I have no negative feelings towards it. Sometimes it makes okay orders good, but most of the time it doesn't do that. Take it with a grain of salt that sometimes you're actually gonna get really good bundled orders on Grubhub. Did I miss anything? Is there something else about bundled orders on Grubhub that I have yet to cover in this video? Let me know in the comments. Let's make sure that everybody knows everything they must know about bundled orders on Grubhub. We can make the most amount of money in the least amount of time in the safest possible way. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.